For those of you seeking protection against your mortgage, here's a simple breakdown of how it works. Hi, I'm Greg, and I'm a licensed insurance broker dedicated to helping individuals and families protect what matters most. I simplify the process, offer personalized guidance, and connect you with the right coverage so that you can plan and have peace of mind and confidence. My national producer number is 208-05615. Now, that's a unique number that confirms I'm officially licensed and in good standing with the National Insurance Producer Registry and state insurance departments. It's just one way I can help you feel secure in choosing someone you can trust. Now, you can actually pause this video or take a screenshot and actually follow the instructions and verify me as an insurance agent. Mortgage protection is designed to help pay off your mortgage fully or protect your monthly payments if you pass away, ensuring your family can remain in their home during difficult times. Typically, mortgage protection offers coverage terms of 6 months to 30 years. Applicants should be in good to moderate health when applying to mortgage protection life insurance. Now, premiums are based on age, height, and weight combo, along with health and affordability. And this is just an example that just shows you real examples of the cost of insurance, health factors, and coverage examples. I'll explain a little bit more in the next slide. And here's just a mortgage protection example. Now, again, obviously each person is unique in their own way. We need to customize this, but if you kind of look at this for just a rough example, so someone age 25 that has a $250,000 mortgage and they have a 30-year term policy that costs roughly $48 a month. Someone that's 30 years old has a $300,000 mortgage with a 30-year term that's roughly $91 a month. Someone age 40 that has a $300,000 mortgage for 30 years, roughly $137 a month to keep that mortgage protected. Now, here's another example of a payment protection plan. Someone that's essentially a little bit older, roughly 65 years old, and this still provides protection for someone older that may not be able to fully pay off a mortgage. So here's an example: someone that's 65, they have a $300,000 mortgage, and they have a policy that's $50,000 and it costs $269 a month. That will roughly give your loved ones 18 months or a year and a half of payments to keep the mortgage going, just so they don't have to worry financially and when they're in the mourning and grieving process. So this again is just another example of a mortgage protection example. And no matter which one you choose, they all come with what's called living benefit riders for terminal, chronic, and critical illness. So if you are diagnosed with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness, the living benefit rider may give you access to an early accelerated payout of the policy. It's a death benefit. This allows you to be able to use the cash in order to pay for uh, hospital costs and things like that. And this comes at no additional cost with each of the policies that I customize and write for you. You'd also want to ensure that the cost of the insurance policy would not be a burden to you, knowing that you have a mortgage payment and other bills to consider when picking a plan. There are many things to think about when considering mortgage protection, such as the duration of the policy. Would you want a cheaper policy that expires in time or a smaller death benefit that lasts your entire life and never expire? The purpose of a call will be to review this information and determine what will be the best option for you. Now, there are several types of customizable policies that can work for your budget and family needs, including but not limited to term life, payment protection, return and premium, or even a cashback option, whole life, and many more. Once you are approved for your policy, you can set it and forget about it, knowing that you are protecting the ones you love most. So don't delay. There should be a link in this video. Go ahead and fill out that form, and it will also prompt you to schedule a call and then fill out the little survey just so that I can speak to you and we can customize something that will keep you and your family protected in case something were to happen to you.